Yo, see what I go on there? The tire rev out for the driver moving up. Driver try. Watch it. Gone him, gone left them.
Uno see them viewers, downtown Kingston no good again. Cabi and Squaddy a go at it wicked. Half a Squaddy tell Cabi say he tap. Uno think him tap. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have the video de fi talk about. Plus me have a voice note for me gonna listen to with Baba and him brother-in-law argue before the dirtings. And a Jamaican health aid go take up herself and deal with our patient man. So before me jump into the reasoning, pre this.
But why would you lock a shop where customers are coming because you want to talk to somebody? Baba, pick the thing, that's a pick the thing. I mean, this is not man in the foolishness. You know, this is not in an argument with no. We still got an argument, we still got no way. What did wherever hear me say? Stop telling lies. Because you don't hear me say nothing, me not need to say nothing. I never say nothing, Baba. I have never said nothing when you are doing the foolishness. You never say, me sit down and watch you and me don't talk. Yes, because we sit and we observe. When you are doing the foolishness, I don't say nothing, I don't know. Baba, live life happy. Live life happy. Leave the shop alone and hear the shop to that. I never help with most of the something that I do here, so. What are you doing? You never help with most of the something that I do. A tool when we in a text. You say, well, you have to put it well. You say, when you just help with most of the things. When you just help with it. It's not necessary. When you just help with it. You say, Carl, you say, yes, but what I'm saying, you cannot lock the shop and me, I tell you, say, yeah, like, go on, I tell you, don't talk.
When you hear that, my viewers, so the voice note them wanna just a year. That was Baba, the owner of Rising Footprint Funeral Home and him brother-in-law. And as you can hear, my advice to anybody out there where start a business, you know, I prefer to do this thing upon your own, you know. No matter if you not go struggle with no business, you know. You see the moment you start take loan and start talk about no want a partner, things like this are going to reach no for you. Flat pan face settings. Uno and no partner, no people them who no borrow loan from a go in a big argument. Cause look at my viewers. Argument start, reach physical, man rip off them metal, put 9 ball in a Baba head. Me no know how the brother-in-law have talk in a Baba business. Me no know if because he married to Baba sister or what, but see it, my people. Sad thing take place, me I tell you no, to the funeral home owner. Man 3 pints gone, me I tell you no, a Clarendon. So my viewers, walk with me. Me go tell you no about the story, the Tamara Garden story, a Jamaican home health. Get her walk up in a Connecticut. If you go take care of a patient in a wheelchair till she take with the patient man till a be a passa me I tell you no. She get sentenced to go do 10 years but she never do the 10 years. She only rub couple months and get probation. My viewers, that story set away, you know. And from my understanding, the girl that did only there with the man for a money thing, me I tell you no. Cause the man a 82-year-old. Him pipe they've not work like that. So what else should I do with the man for? Hey, my viewers, my people, if you don't want to see the full story or read about the full story, you just go over to the Jamaica Star and go listen out the full story about the Jamaican health aid woman here. What a thing, my people. She take care of her own patient, man, till the man family them start to pray and I say, a boop, she a boops out the man and slap a larceny charge pan her. So my viewers, walk with me again. We'll move on to another topic again. Where we see Squaddy and Cabi. So no pray this.
Yo, see what I go on there? The tire rev out for the driver moving up. Driver try. Watch it. Gone him, gone left them.
Bumbuck fly, you knock come on, you know.
class. Diplomat. Last class.
Uno see it there. Dung a town in a Kingston no good again. Squaddy I try stop Cabi. And Cabi make the great escape and cut left Squaddy. When you hear the fans them a cheer on Cabi. Through them not like Squaddy. My viewers set away boy ya. And me always tell you no. Look around. You see nobody a take no talk boy ya. You see nobody a follow no rules and no orders boy ya. Every man a do them own thing boy ya. You know see the viral song a road right now. The man saying with lick down police a road and cut. Him no fear nothing. So as what me say, the country need to take back order, you know. And we don't know who go do this or who can do this, you know. Cause all in a church, you know, man, I roll up spliff in a them hand, you know. So you think, man, respect nobody, boy, yeah? So as what me say, my people, thank God nobody never get licked down. Cause Cabi no care about nobody. All him want know say him escape from Squaddy them. And now him a driver go where I call Squaddy them all type of name and a style them up. Viewers, enough of the people them boy are lost. And I hope them find back hope. And me not talk the woman. You hear that? So as what me say, stay safe for road, my viewers. Protect on the 3 points. And don't make it on the dead list. Cause me no know I could have ordered that. Some people for just listen boy. You see me? Until next time.